In this video, I'll show you how to run a daily sales report in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can get a clean snapshot of what you sold on a specific date without digging through invoices one by one. Start by signing in and confirming you're in the correct company, then use the left navigation and click Reports, which is the hub for performance and financial reporting. At the top, look for the Management Reports area, because that's where QuickBooks groups presentation-style reports you can preview and share. Open Sales Performance, and once it loads, focus on the report period controls. To make it a true daily view, choose a custom date range and set the same date as both the start and end date, then hit Preview so the report refreshes for only that day's activity. After it runs, review the totals and any sales metrics shown for that single day, and if you're comparing days, just change the date and preview again. If you don't see management reports or sales performance, it's usually due to plan level or user permissions, so check with the admin or try a standard sales report as a fallback. Subscribe for more QuickBooks how-tos in simple, fast steps.